And on the other side of the house yesterday, I saw a whole lot of small tubs, little tubs, where they had other aquatic stuff growing. Hello, Peacer. Sister-in-law is doing her cleaning. She's got COVID right now too, so we're all kind of quarantined in our own rooms. Here's what the little ones I was talking about. So they got a lot of it growing. So if somebody knows, you can tell me what it is. I see her out here tinkering with it. My sister, my brother-in-law's wife. The other sister-in-law.
เนื้อแดงผสมหัวอาหารให้ได้ทั้งไก่และหมูทั้งวัวโปรตีนสูงมาก30%ผลผลิตของไข่ไก่เปลือกไข่ไก่จะแข็งแรงมากกว่ากินหัวอาหารเปลือกไข่ไก่จะแข็งมากไก่ชอบ
I think you can see good enough for me to. Okay, that's enough for today. Please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It helps our channel. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jive. Time to get going out.